We will use one single indicator, this is CCI, with my settings, the settings of which you will find in my open Telegram channel. Follow the link in the description to join it. There will be settings for this indicator. We're using a 15-second time frame for the candles, and the expiration time is the duration for which we'll be placing the trade, which is exactly 1 minute. The most interesting part will be splitting the trades. I'm going to enter with 50, with a few trades. Let's see what comes of this. Whether it works or not, we'll check it out. So for a minute there was a good entry point right here. You could have jumped in, but oh well. So, by the way, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're entering here for 1 minute, going down. First of all, the CCI is in the 100 zone. Right now it's overbought in this case. Plus we have a level and we're entering down from that level. Let's take a look. Oh wow, it's beautiful, beautiful. We're doing $200 in trades. That's 4 trades of $50 each. And there's literally 15 seconds left. And the trade is going into profit. Great execution with the CCI. Let me explain how this indicator works. Let's wait for the closing, a confident closing of the trade. So, here's the first trade. Just a confident entry. I love this. Yes, yes. Just to the base, we have 412 in the account now. Now I'm going to put in $100. I'll find a good entry point and jump in. We're entering here for 1 minute, going down with a 7 deposit, basically. We have 12 left. A spike just happened. I should have entered a bit earlier here, of course, but it's not a big deal. This indicator works. We have a moving average. When the price approaches the upper boundary or crosses it, we go for a down trade. If the moving average approaches the lower boundary of minus 100 and the upper boundary is 100 while the lower boundary is minus 100, then, accordingly, whether it crosses it, approaches it, or stays at that level, we enter for an upward trade. Alright, back to it. Let's get into this indicator. Let's watch. You can also use martingales, but in this case, we don't have any martingales. We're just loading the entire amount and that's it. It's either or lose. There are no more options. Great, it's going in. Actually, there just weren't any entry points right now. I don't even know anymore. I was thinking about entering somewhere. Good thing I didn't jump into that trade. It would have been a loss. We have 780 in the account. Stretching. Let's wait. We could enter opposite since it's stretching. And CCI shows oversold, so a bounce is coming. We missed that. Check another pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. All in. Going down. Jumping in sharply. Excellent scalping. CCI was approaching but didn't reach. See how clear. Price approached 5 times. This trading zone is wild. A scalping zone. You could work both up and down. Situation is nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's it. All in, all in. We're going for a down trade. Jumping in sharply here. Just excellent scalping. The CCI was approaching but didn't quite reach it, so you can see how clear it is. The price approached 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. This trading zone is just wild, and overall this is a scalping zone. You could have worked both up and down here, so the situation is really nice right now. It's really beautiful, just imagine, pure beauty. How does it work here? Well, you can even see the channel here. The naked eye, it's just perfect for scalping. Perfect trade. Man, right now, my soul is just happy. I think you, as traders, when you enter a trade, analyze it, and the price just confidently flies into profit. There's nothing better than this. And especially if it's a big martingale or a large amount. The trades are just closing out, there's a whole swarm of them. I definitely want to load up some more, but honestly, let's take a risk with $500. Alright, let's load up the full amount one more time. I think we could have entered for an upward trade here, but most likely there will be a breakout. You know what? Let's jump in here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all in for an upward trade. Come on, show us the beauty. Show us the beauty. Entering for a breakout, technical analysis is working. The chart will stretch. We're entering for a breakout. Yes, the chart is going to stretch now, but we're entering here for a breakout for a minute. I'm ready trading here, relying on my experience. A bit not according to this indicator. Let's see. Let's see how our trades are going to close now. Damn, this is just awesome. I mean, it's just great. I hope we don't get shut down. What are you doing? No, don't do that. Go up, go up. We had a breakout in this area. I mean, how many touches were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. No, go up. Come on, are we really going to lose everything? Well, this is going to be a fail then, guys. We're about to lose. No way. I can't believe it. Oh, come on. Oh, we have 1760. So part of it closed, part didn't. The price didn't go up. It pulled back a bit. And, well, the emotions are starting to kick in. The emotions, I really want to play around. That's the worst part when you want to play around. Alright, we're going all in here. All in, we're entering for a minute here. Alright, we're placing it, leaving 60 bucks. What? Oh, come on. So close to hitting 3,000, awesome. I just silently watched this trade. This is the chic deposit we ended up with 200 quotex of dollars. If you want to learn, just message me through the link in the description to my Telegram channel. I want to join the team, I'll add you there, and you'll be able to trade using my signals, the same ones I use, plus there's educational content. People in our team are trading and making money. Subscribe to my open Telegram channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell. Leave your comment. I read all the comments. I try to respond to all comments. Wishing you success.